हाय ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, दिस इज विशाखा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर. और मैंने कानों में कुछ क्यों नहीं पहनना है? हम कानों में कुछ पहनेंगे, साथ में बात करते हैं. ओके गाइस एंड गर्ल्स एंड गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे रिलेशनशिप्स एंड हाउ टू प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ. एंड लुक एट माय ब्यूटीफुल इयररिंग्स. दिख रहे हैं? ओके, सो if you keep attracting the same kind of people over and over again, if you keep attracting the same kind of toxic relationships in your life, my friend, I'll be a little bit into your face and I'll tell you this is happening because you have some trauma linked to it. For example, if you are people pleaser, right, you will keep attracting the narcissistic people, the toxic narcissistic asses into your life again and again, till you start working on yourself and let go of the people pleasing behavior, because you now have come a full circle and you have done your healing. As I have mentioned earlier in my 1000 videos तो नहीं बनाई मैंने, but हाँ, in a lot of my videos, everything starts with you working on yourself, right? So the next time you are thinking about like getting into a relationship, I want you to be very clear about your whys. Why do you want a relationship? Why do you want somebody in your life right now? There could be a lot of reasons, but like maybe you're just bored, maybe you want a companionship, maybe you want somebody to party with. And I'm not here to judge or anything. Everybody have their own priorities, right? But if you're trying to get into a relationship where you want to build a future with that person, right, stop wasting your time. Firstly, don't look for them. I know this might sound a little stupid, but don't look for them. Look for your own self. Try to work on yourself. Try to know yourself better. Become so self-aware that now you know that what kind of person you want to attract into your life, right? And what kind of person, what kind of people you have to protect yourself from, right? Because this world is full of a lot of shitty people. Let me tell you, तुम्हें already पता ही होगा. But just because you're self-aware, because you know what kind of people you want to deal with, that gives you an advantage in your life. अब आपको पता है कि मुझे कैसे लोगों से डील करना है, कैसे लोगों से डील नहीं करना है. आप सेल्फ अवेयर इन हो, आपको पता ही नहीं है मुझे कैसे इंसानों के आसपास रहना अच्छा लगता है, कैसे इंसानों के पास रहना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. हाउ वुड यू थिंक कि आप एक राइट पर्सन को चूज करोगे अपने लिए? नहीं कर सकते ना. या एग्जैक्टली. सो नो योर वाइज एंड देन start, like, if you're just like you want to party, you don't want anything serious, and you're not in that age where you want to build with somebody, do whatever the hell you want, experience life. But if you are at a certain age where you want to settle, where you want to build a life with somebody, be very specific, be very so rooted in your own character that you find the person, you try to find the right person for you, and don't be in a rush. When you know yourself, when you know your self-worth, you will attract the right person, because now you don't deal with the bullshit. Now you don't settle for the bare minimum, and you don't have to settle for the bare minimum ever. Don't settle for anything that is जहां आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि कल को यार मुझे बहुत एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस पर्सन can't like can't stand up for my needs. This person is not the person I want to be with. Don't just try to fit into somebody else's world. You are your own main character in your own life. Try and be that person for you. You're not handed over second hand life कि हाँ भी आपका 2 लाइफ है, एक मैं इस पे कुर्बान कर दूंगा, मैं दूसरी लाइफ जी लूंगा. नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. You have one life, right? Work on yourself, know yourself, and after that attract the right person. When you don't know yourself, there are a lot of bullshit you have to go through. There are a lot of people who will try to push your boundaries, push your buttons. A lot of people will give you trauma. They will not give you good memories or anything. They'll give you trauma, straight as trauma. They'll cheat on you, they'll break your heart, they'll treat you like shit, and then they'll make you feel bad about it. Just because you know how they know how to treat you, they know how to make you feel bad about doing the things they have done. क्योंकि आपको पता ही नहीं है भाई आपके आपके दिमाग के साथ कोई कैसे खेल रहा है. जब आपको खुद का पता होता है, जब आपको पता होता है कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम एंड व्हाट आई, अपनी डिग्निटी आपको पता होती है, तो आप यू डोंट डील विद पीपल इन द सेम वे यू यूज्ड टू डू. Right, that being said, if you want to know what kind of trauma bonds or what kind of attachment styles we have, just comment down below and I'm going to make a video on that, and I'm going to make that video anyway. So guys, नमस्कार, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और मैं जा रही हूँ सोने, बहुत रात हो गई है. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.